Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, the hottest day of the year possibly so far. What a bad day to choose to do a PC build, but that's what we're going to do nonetheless. I do apologise if we're going to be hot and sweaty by the end of this, but maybe you're going to get hot and sweaty over the Lian Li Vector V100R. Now, I'm going to be swapping my PC, my video editing PC, out from my existing Lian Li case, which arguably might run cooler. But I kind of like the look of this one, and also I want to do some modifications to my PC, such as swapping out the cooler for a water cooler, which I think is going to suit this particular build much nicer, and I think it just looks great. Another thing which is a great advantage for me personally is the location of the ports on the side there. I find it a real pain struggling to get to the very top of my PC. My PC is actually on top of my desk, so yeah, it's a real pain in the backside. Anyway, with all that said, let's get straight into it and start stripping down the old PC. Okay, so there we go. The build is completed, and I've got to say it's actually quite a pleasant experience. And I think, well, hopefully you'll agree, it's turned out very nicely indeed, especially for those of you that like a little bit of rainbow puke. There's a lot of rainbow puke going on here. So we've got RGB to everything at the moment, which I kind of like. And yeah, it seems to be extremely quiet. I haven't done anything to the fans. I've literally just plugged it in as my previous settings were. And yeah, it's basically silent, which is something which I really do appreciate, and I think it looks really nice. There weren't any real issues here. I would have liked a little bit more space at the top possibly for the AIO. Maybe a couple more inches higher would have been basically perfect. Trying to get some of the cables through is a little bit of a challenge because the AIO does hang down a little bit, so getting the cables through to the back was a little bit challenging. Cable management in the back, loads and loads of room. Those zip ties in the back there really do help out, keeping it nice and tidy. Now I haven't done a perfect job on this, but certainly it's neat. The side panel goes on and it's not rattling around, and actually there's a little bit of wiggle room in the back there already, so we haven't filled out that space very much. I did actually go to the bother of putting in an additional SATA cable for the power supply, thinking that I may have to put an additional hub for all the RGB lighting, but fortunately this motherboard actually has 3 addressable RGB outputs. So I've got one which is for the fans of the case, one for the actual AIO, and the supplementary stuff is all on the 3rd connection. So yeah, it's turned out very nicely indeed. And yeah, it's basically whisper quiet, and in fact I can hear one of the cats snoring over the top of this, so that gives you some idea. Now our cats don't snore loud before you say anything in the comments. Anyway, like I said, this is the Vector V100R from Lian Li. Very cost-effective case, works very well, and even if you've got a larger graphics card such as our RTX 4080 in here, I think you're gonna have a great time with it. It's very easy to work in, very cost-effective. I think it looks great personally. Obviously that is going to be very subjective. I do like this kind of angle down here, and also for me, like I said at the very beginning, actually having my IO panel here where it's on my desk, where I'll try and get you some shots of actually where this lives when it's normally in use, and you can understand then my complaint about having IO on the top. This makes it much easier for me. Potentially it will do for you as well. So if you're interested in picking up this case or any of the components that we've listed in this video or used in this video, I'll put some affiliated links in the video description so you can check all those out for you. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased. This is a cracking system. This is my main video editing system, so without it, I'm stuck. So yeah, I'm very pleased indeed. Again, if you want to check out anything, links are in the video description below. It's really hot here. It is just over 30 degrees here in the Mike's Unboxing studio, so I'm going to go and melt somewhere else. And if you've liked the video, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe, and don't forget to click the all notifications when you do. That'd be fantastic, and that way you'll get notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. My arm's just sticking to things. Thanks for watching.